You have a great idea, a solid team, and you are ready to scale. But then comes the big question: should you register in India for the market, Dubai for the tax benefits, or Singapore for the global VC money? The answer is not as simple as which one is cheaper. It's about where your customers are, where your investors live, and how much compliance you can handle. Today, we are doing a 2026 deep dive comparison of the three biggest startup hubs for the Indian founders. I am Ayush Gupta from Just Start, and let's find your business's true home. Let's start with home. In 2026, India is not just a back office, it's the world's most exciting consumer market. With the Digital India Stack, ONDC, and 5G 6G penetration, the scale here is unmatched. Let's talk about some of the pros. The talent pool. Access to the world's largest pool of affordable engineers and operators. The next is vibrant ecosystem. From Bharat Mandapam summits to local networking, the support for founders is at an all-time high. The next is ease of doing business. Recent reforms in FSI, FDI and MCA have made starting up much faster than 5 years ago. Now let's talk about some of the cons. The first one being taxation. Corporate tax and GST compliance can be heavy. The second one being the FEMA rules. Moving money out of India still involves significant paperwork. India is best for e-commerce, edtech, D2C and anything targeting the Indian middle class. Now let's look at the desert miracle. Dubai has rebranded itself from a tourism hub to a tech-first economy. For founders who hate high taxes, this is the golden ticket. Some of the pros are tax efficiency. 0% personal income tax and a very competitive corporate tax that is 9% only above a threshold. The second one being the golden visa, 10-year residency for founders, which means long-term stability. The third one being the gateway, perfect for trading businesses or SaaS companies looking for Europe and the Middle East. The first one being the cost of living. Setting up and living in Dubai is significantly more expensive than in India. Small local market. You don't go to Dubai for the local customers, you go there for the global structure. Dubai is best for crypto, fintech, trading and high net worthy founders looking for tax optimization. Finally, we have the gold standard of business efficiency, Singapore. If your goal is to raise money from global VCs like Sequoia, SoftBank, etc. and for a Nasdaq listing, Singapore is usually the choice. Some of the pros are intellectual property, the best IP protection laws in Asia. If you have a unique tech patent, keep it here. The second one being the global trust. Setting up a Singapore holding company makes it 10x easier to raise foreign funding. Then efficiency. You can incorporate a company in literally 24 hours. And if we talk about cons, compliance cost. Audit and legal requirements are strict and expensive. The second one being the physical presence. You often need a resident director, which means extra annual fees. Singapore is best for deep tech, AI startups and SaaS founders targeting the US or global markets. To summarize, if you want users, stay in India. If you want personal wealth and tax savings, move to Dubai. If you want global funding and IP protection, go to Singapore. But here is the pro secret. Many founders use a hybrid model. They keep their operations team in India to save cost and the holding company in Singapore to attract investors. Choosing your base is a decision that will affect your taxes and growth for the next decade. Don't make it based on a 30-second reel. Analyze your 5-year goal first. Are you confused about which jurisdiction fits your specific business model? At Just Start, we don't just register companies, we architect global structures. From Indian Private Limited to Singapore Holdings, we handle the legal and FEMA compliances so you can focus on the product. Click on the link below to book a global expansion audit with my team or WhatsApp us directly. Let's build your empire on the right foundation. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button and share it with a co-founder. I will see you in the next one.